Hi there, today we're going to see how to configure our DCA botty on 3 commas. So this bot will be used to place orders automatically by receiving TradingView alerts. So already you're going to go to DCA bot by clicking on it. Then in the top right corner you're going to click on Create DCA bot. Here on this page, what you will do is that you will connect your exchange on the exchange that you want. So I assume that you have already connected your exchanges by API. If you don't know how to do it, I made a previous video that talks about it, so you can check it out. So here I'm going to go to KuCoin. You can see that it displays my balance, and then I'll give it a name. For example, IMX. I'm going to go and find the pair you see in pair. I'm going to put IMX USDT. And here I'm going to call it IMX spot. So here I want to trade IMX or buy IMX. Then in strategy, I'm going to stay on long. I'm going to choose a percentage that the bot is going to use on my wallet. So I'm going to use 100%. I want the trade to take 100% of my available wallet. In the deal start condition, we're going to set it to TradingView custom signal. Here is the take profit. I'm going to leave 1%. I'm also going to activate trailing. I'm going to set it to 0.2. So if you don't know what trailing is, I made a video about it in a previous video. I invite you to watch it. Now in the take profit type, we're going to put it in base order and not in total volume. So we activate the stop loss here. We'll put 0.5%, for example. Safety order, we don't want it, so we set it to 0. Okay, so I can't start because 100% is not accepted, so we'll set it to 99.99. And here we press start. There, you see that? The bot is well started. We press OK. So all we're interested in is the message for deal. Start signal, all the rest. We don't care. We click on it. It will display a JSON code. We copy this code to the clipboard. We go to TradingView. We edit the alert. We want to send to the bot, and we just delete everything in the message, and we paste the JSON code, and that's it. And from that moment on, when you press save, every time the alert is triggered, it will be sent automatically to 3 commas, and 3 commas will process it according to the parameters you gave it. So here it is. Don't click on new trade ASAP, because if you click on it, it will launch a trade directly. I hope that everything was clear for you. If it is not the case, do not hesitate to ask your question and comment. I will be happy to answer it, and then here soon for a next tutorial. Ciao, ciao.